Good day. You are welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to download and install JDK. JDK. First of all, ensure your system is connected to the internet. Ensure your system is connected to the internet, and you open a browser of your choice. I'll wait for it to load. Okay, for it to load. Actually, I have a system because of one or two stuff that I've downloaded previously. But for now, let us stick with it and move on. Okay, let us stick with it and move on. Okay, so let's go to Google. When you get to Google, you type JDK. The first thing, wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. And we have a current one, which is Java 17. It says Java 17 available now. Java 17 available now. Okay. So it has downloaded. It has downloaded. Then down. Then, sorry. Okay. So we have platforms. We have profile. We have product and file description, then file size. Okay. So we have the various platforms at the top here. We have Linux, we have Mac OS, and we have Windows. Okay. We are on Windows. If you're on Mac OS, you just have to click on Mac OS link and you download the last one, the last link that you are given. That's the DMD installer. Okay. You just have to click on the link over here. You are good to go. If you're on Windows, you download the second link, or you use the second link. You just have to click on this and you are good to go. You click on that and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. Okay. I have already downloaded it, so I wouldn't download it again. I'll just click on it to demonstrate how it is. That's all I will do, and I'll cancel that. I'll cancel it straight away. So it's about downloading. I will just straight mine. So after downloading, you go to your download folder. To my PC or my computer or this PC, depending on the platform or the Windows version. Okay. Then you search for JDK. JDK. So you can see JDK. You double click it and you wait for it to load. I've already installed this, so maybe I'll be given an option to exit. But all the same, let us wait and see. Let us wait and see what happens. Waiting for this to happen. That's it. So do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? You just have to click maybe yes, and you continue. Yes, and you continue. Okay. Wait for it to load, and we continue from there. It's taking too long, but let us wait for it. It will definitely come. Okay. It will definitely come. Preparing to install, and there we go. There we go. This software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? So I will just click on no. But you will click on yes and you continue. Even if you wouldn't be given this option, so that would be that. Okay, that would be that. Just follow it, install it. It's like, don't tell me you don't see this. I'm just telling you in this video again, once and for all, that this is what? This is just a layer that you need for the subsequent apps that you will be downloading. For the subsequent apps you will be downloading. So it is very important you get this. After downloading it, don't expect to see any icon or whatever it is on your desktop or wherever you want it to be. It is okay. Once you are sure you are done installing, you are good to go. So that will be that. Thank you.